In this video, I'm going to show you how to add italics to text message on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18, you can easily underline, bolding, or italize a particular aspect of a text, or italize the entire text message on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first one to do when you want to italize a text on iOS 18 is open the messaging app just like this. Then here I just write how to add italics on iOS 18. Then locate the text you want to italize. So let's say I want to italize iOS 18 like this. Then you should see this menu pops. Just scroll like this and click on text effects. There you go. Go ahead and tap I. You see that? That is going to italize the text. Then once italized, go ahead and click on the send button. Then you should see that how to add italics on iOS 18. So this just italize part of the message. You can also repeat this to italize the entire message. By doing this, paste it, then select all, then swipe this and click on text effect, then italize everything. You see that? Then go ahead and send it. Then you can see all the text is italized. So this is how you can easily add italics on iOS 18 on iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.